So mix all the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, sugar, salt. And then after mixing, add your butter. So after adding the butter, you need it to distribute the butter. So the butter in the flour. So you keep going until all the butter is broken into small pieces. So the easier way to do this is to pulse it in your food processor, but I really like to knead it with my hand. It's just therapeutic. So just keep going until they're all broken into small pieces. Now it looks a little better, but I will still keep going because there's still a lot of big pieces. Next, we're mixing our wet ingredients in a bowl. Then the egg. Next, we're just gonna whisk it. You're going to reserve around 2 tablespoons of this mixture as an egg wash before you bake your scones. Okay, now we're adding the liquid mixture to our dry ingredients. So you just want to mix that. You can use your hands and mix it very lightly until they all come together. Okay, so you don't want to overmix this. I have this mat here and I'm just going to lightly flour it. Transfer over it. So form a dough and transfer it to your mat. And I'm going to transfer the mixture in here. Alright, and then next is to roll your dough. After rolling the dough, then you can start cutting it with whatever cutter you have. A round cutter. This is the only one that I have for right now. I like the size, so it will grow taller. So the recommendation is 1 inch thick. So it's totally up to you if you want your scones to be tall. So now we're gonna cut it. Using this cutter, a small or a big one. I mean, a small one or a big one. Let's try this one. Start here at the edge. Gonna keep cutting. ready for baking. 425 degrees centigrade. I mean, 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, we're gonna put an egg wash. This is the mixture of egg and milk. So bake for 12 to 15 minutes. There they are. British scones.